anytime I cook something in a crock pot, I like to use one of these liners. And it ain't just for easy cleaning, it's also for easy transferring to a storage container so I can put my chili or soup or whatever in the fridge. I'm going to show y'all how I do this. You want to have your scissors or kitchen shears handy before you pick this bag up. What you want to do is pick it up and hold one corner in your hand. Spin this other corner around, hold it in your hand as well. Now at this point you want to go ahead and keep this bag sitting in the crock pot. Cut one corner off. And make sure you cut a big enough piece that it's all gonna pour out into this container. Hold this corner over the container just like this and very slowly release it. See there, now if you're careful you won't make a big mess.